It is 6:44. Happening today, Walt Disney World is celebrating Disney Plus Day, but it's also gearing up for the holidays.
Our very own Sam Champion got a preview of the return of a couple of festive television specials after a 2-year hiatus. Sam joins us now live from Walt Disney World in Florida with all the details. Sam.
Hey, Michelle. Hey, Ken. Yeah, it's true. And I think a lot of us are trying to get stoked up for the holidays early this year. We just need that holiday spirit. And it's all around you here at the park. They're shooting these holiday specials that are back on the air this year, and that's music to everybody's ears. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
The most famous reindeer of all.
At the wonderful world of Disney. With just a month and a half until Christmas Day, Disney World is decking its halls with holiday cheer. Parkgoers enjoyed festive performances from country music crooner Brett Eldridge and hip-hop star Chance the Rapper. Each performed a pair of songs which will be featured on the magical holiday special, airing the Sunday after Thanksgiving on ABC. And the Disney Parks Magical Christmas Day Parade on September 25th. The specials are returning for the first time since 2019.
I was sitting on my couch for the longest time writing songs, enjoying that, but I was like, I gotta get back in front of people, and the fact that we're here at Disney getting to do that and just feeling that energy and that magic, it feels so good.
The specials take on extra meaning this year as we commemorate 50 years of Walt Disney World Resort. They also come in a moment when the world is hopefully emerging from trying times. What do you want people to know or think about this year as we go into the holiday season?
Last year, the first year I didn't get to go in 30-some years to see the whole family, and I know a lot of people have experienced that, and I think this year, I think we've got some positivity coming out there right now and some optimism and everybody moving forward in a lot of ways, and I just think it's great that we have this music and we have this wonderful place.
So when you're walking around the park and you see the holiday kind of lit up, and then they pull you aside to ask you if you want to be part of the audience for a taping of all of that, and you can hear Brett sing, Chance the Rapper sang. Both of them did it in the rain. That's how committed they were. And Chance picked, I think, what was it, John? Christmas. This Christmas was Chance the Rapper's song. So Whit, I know we're going to GMA. Whit Johnson's here. Hey, Whit, you guys are set up like right around the corner. I think Rob is right there.
Oh yeah, we're going big today. And Sam, by the way, I had to actually check the calendar here because I'm like, you got Sam to work on a Friday? What's going on here? It's like,
Whit,
but it's Florida,
I
it's
would come
Disney
down
World.
here on just about right. You're absolutely right, my friend. You're absolutely right. That's it. I couldn't get Robin in, but I came down.
Of course, of course. Well, it's good to see you. We're going to talk a lot about Disney Plus Day as well today, but we do have a busy show here on GMA. The new